Ay. Naghahanap ng food.
We went around looking for food and ended up at Tokyo Tokyo. It was finally time for boarding, then we were off to Singapore.
Welcome to
The local
Singapore.
time now is 11:29 in the evening.
When we got to Changi Airport, it was a long walk towards the exit.
It's so cold.
Welcome back mga kalagay. Dito din tayo. Tayo dito sa Island City, Singapore. So, marami kang mga video na kaalang ng aming taga-LG.
So there's 5 of us now.
Yeah. So basically, ang gagawin natin is mag-bisikleta lang. We visit different part of Singapore. So, itinerary natin, meron tayong Pulau Ubin, then sa Sentosa Island, right around sa center, sa Marina Bay. Then after that, mga siguro after 4 days, mga ride again, we'll cross the border to Johor Bahru. Then start na nung aming Malaysia tour yun. So for now, yan muna yung report doon. Back to you again.
Cute. Kompleto na lahat. Check.
Kasi bukas pa ng 10 a.m. sila magbubukas sa radio.
A few moments later.
Since we arrived early in the morning, we decided to spend the night at the airport before leaving.
Just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like you got it, you want your
Cross tayo dun sila eh. Cross sila dun.
So the first thing we noticed, sa airport pa lang, they already have bike lanes on the street. And this is a recurring theme as we go around Singapore.
Ano ba talaga? Ha?
We had to make sure there were no cars behind us in order to make our turn. And it's very important to keep out of their way and to stay on the left side.
Ano to boy? Bilisan nyo.
And on one of our stops, we saw the Google Maps car.
We're here at 89.7 Super Club. Supper pala, not super.
After lunch, we ended up at Changi Beach Park. Since we were unable to go to Pulau Ubin because of the $6 ferry terminal, we ended up crossing the park nearby. After hanging out for a bit, we headed to the city.
night stroll. First night in Singapore after a long bike. Now we're strolling around Singapore.
Ano bilhin nyo? Last time, yung malaki? 0.25? Ay, wag na dyan. Mahal pala.
We had some Indian food for lunch, and then it started to rain.
Parang plastic.
Plus, supot ng isda ang ating kapote.
Ano laki doon? Yan talaga pang balot isda.
Coincidentally, it was also Singapore's National Day.
Saan tayo ngayon?
Lumilipad na Singapore. Mga ka-adventure, hello ulit. Dito, pabalik ulit yung paboritong ka-adventure.
Ako.
Ngayong araw na to, ilapit kami ng ulan. Dapat wala pa ang sakot. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may Singapore Flyer. So, nag-ikot-ikot. Tsaka nga pala, ano yun lang ngayon, Singapore National Day. Okay, back to exploring. So after natin dito, mag-ikot-ikot sa Singapore ay doon tayo pupunta mamaya. Yung picture of lights. Ayan. Pwesto ko ba kung kuha talaga? Dahil yung pwesto ko ba?
Hindi ka nakita mo eh.
Oh? Dito ba yung Singapore GP?
Oo, dito. Pinasaan natin.
Oh. Sige. Singapore GP. We're currently at the Formula 1 Singapore GP.
Papakita ko sa inyo. Tayo.
Dito si Hamilton.
Ito yung dito nakapark yung wheels ng tropa ko, si Lewis Hamilton.
Oh my God.
Yung
Ag-
number
44.
Yun yung pinapark yung kanyang folding
Uy,
bike.
si Russell.
Yung Bay 15. Diyan yung pinapark yung folding bike niya ni paring Lewis Hamilton.
Ang daming tao. Uy, Philippines. So, nandito kami sa city center. It's around 10:56.
PM.
Let's see anong oras tayo makakarating sa bahay.
Oh, nasa bahay, sa hotel.
Sa hotel.
Nag-aayos pa sila ng bike. Something's wrong. Ito yung scene dito sa ano. Kaya yung opisina ng Philippine Airlines. Kita nyo ba mga ka-adventure? Tapos andito yung mga bar, high-end bar. Highway ride to mga ka-adventure. Sa city center ng Singapore. Galing kami ng Maxwell Food Center. Doon kami nag-lunch, nag-dinner. But bago yun, galing kami ng Marina Bay. Nanood kami ng fireworks. So ito yung second day namin ngayon. So ganito ang pagkawid dito sa Singapore. Tayin mong mag-green yung sign ng tao.
We're still here.
Just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over.
Traffic ngayon dahil National Day. Dito ka na lang sa kalsada. Dito ka pa dyan. Let's go. Dito. Bawal, bawal. Tapos magra-ride. Diretso lang. Pasok ko dyan. Tawid tayo sa kanto. Lahat pala mga bar dito eh. Dito pala mga nightlife eh. Club. Ang tabi-tabi mga club dito ah. Diretso dito o walang diretso. Tatawid tayo rito tsaka tayo gaganon tsaka gaganyan. Walang tawiran. Yung banda ka nandun sa kabila yun ang tawiran no? Doon nandun ang tawiran para dito sa kabila. Dito, pwede saan kumanan dito. Ano sa nanay mo? Siya. Pwede na rito, di ba? Tawid. Ayan, sampahan. Yan doon niya rin kinain natin sa Azerbaijan na sandwich. Ayun o, sandwich. Take out tayo. Ayun o, sa kabila. Sarado na ba? Subukan natin, tawid tayo.
Mr. Donor?
Oo. Sarado na yung doner sandwich. Sarado. Wala tuloy akong daanan.
We are in Sentosa Island.